let's discuss adverbs of degree or extent. It simply describes the amount or level of anything, and it can be done with three ways. First one is an adverb qualifies an adjective and answers the question to what extent. Such an adverb is known as an adverb of degree. It states that when an adverb describes an adjective to a specific amount. Number two is when an adverb is used in this way to qualify another adverb. It is also known as adverb of degree. It is describing that when an adverb describes another adverb to a specific level. And the third one states that adverbs of degree can also be used to qualify verbs. In this, it is stating that when an adverb describes a verb to a specific extent. Let's see it with the help of the examples. Number one is when an adverb qualifies an adjective. Here, example A states that these shoes are too big for you. In this sentence, the adverb too describes that how big the shoes are, in which too is an adverb and the word big is adjective. B. This is very difficult question. In the same way, in this sentence, adverb very is describing that how difficult the question is, and the word difficult is an adjective as it is written in the bold. And C. The room was quite dark and we could not see anything. Here the word quite is adverb which is describing the adjective dark. When an adverb qualifies to another adverb. Example, Kiran did very well in the examination. Here the word very is an adverb and the word well is also an adverb, and both these words are describing each other. E. Ayan won his match pretty easily. In the same way, the sentence is stating pretty and easily. Both the words are adverbs and describing each other to a specific extent. When an adverb qualify verb. For example, F. He really liked the song. It is clarifying that how much did he liked the song. G. Sidra almost fainted at the news. In this sentence, it is stating that to what extent did Sidra faint. And H. We agreed with him completely. It states that to what extent did we agreed with him. Here is a warning not to get confused between emphasizing adjective and adverbs of degree, as emphasizing adjectives only describes noun while adverb of degree describes adjectives, verbs and also another adverb. Adverbs of frequency. It defines that how often anything happens. Let's try to understand it with the help of the examples. I, Vaji always comes late to school. J. Hafiz often comes late to school. K. Salman sometimes comes late to school. And L. Vanya never comes late to school. All these adverbs that are written in the underlined form, the words that are always, often, sometimes and never. All these words are describing that how frequently anything or any event happens. Here is a warning for adverb of frequency as well. which is stating that not to get confused between adverb of time and adverb of frequency, as an adverb of time describes when the thing or event happens. It answers the question when, while adverb of frequency describes that how frequently the events are happening. We'll continue with the remaining chapter in the next part, inshallah. I hope it will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.